Hello everybody, Isaac24 here, and today I have a package, an unboxing. This is coming to us all the way from Fountain Valley, California, in a little box, and I'm a little worried. I mean, the box says fragile, but what's in here is delicate, and it is also, in a way, the companion to my Handycam, and you'll see what it is. I bought this basically, well, you'll see what it is, but I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. My knife got messed up at work, and now it really doesn't flick, so let's see here. Well, they packaged it well, at least. See, look at this. Yeah. Oh, well. My wonderful $10 Cobalt knife from Home Depot that came in a 2-pack. Wow, I mean, I gotta tell you, they really packaged this well. Oh, I almost just had a bad viral video. There we go. Gosh, I would have gotten a lot more views if I slipped my wrist open. Alright, let's see here. Bubble wrap. That'll be good for shipping stuff. And I see another Sony camera charger and another NP-BN1 battery. These are handy because both my T1 and my T900 take these, and can never have too many of those chargers. And you know what that means. We have a camera strap. We have another stupid, let's get this off right away. My T900 came with one of these, and it is, in my opinion, the stupidest thing. Got it. The stupid thingy. I hate those. Sony has always done that, and I hate them. And here it is. It is wrapped very well, I guess. And there it is. This is the Sony DSC TX10. And I bought this because I wanted a camera that can shoot 1080p more discreetly than my Handycam. It's not in perfect condition. I bought that knowing it's not. Oh, there we go. Pop that out. Pop the battery in. I assume it goes this way. It does not. And here we go. Oh, shoot. And there it is. Don't know why we're on 4 to 3. Let's get rid of that shit. Change it over to video mode. Not that. I gotta tell you, there is a marked difference, whoops, in the, there we go. I can't shoot it now. Let me tell you something. As much as I love these cameras, I hate to say this, my T900 has a better touchscreen than this thing. So let's see the qualities here. AVC HD at 9. So that's the highest quality mode. This thing is extremely light. Like, compared to my T900, holy crap. Let me grab a memory card real quick. Found a memory card. I think this memory card's actually empty. Let's put SD card in because no memory sticks. Turn you on. Look how fast this thing boots. Yes, I got it. Thank you. And we will go... We'll do the high quality. And yeah, let's take a video. There we go. All right. This is a test of the new TX10 and the highest quality video mode. We'll try zooming. This camera does shoot 1080p, so that's pretty cool. And of course, turn it around. Hi! And that will be the end. Oh, there's the macro. So that's the end of this video. Nice. So that's it. I think that's all we're going to show, but that is the unboxing of the new TX10. So thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and I am going to be shooting some elevator videos with this, so look forward to that. So that is it. Bye-bye.